गुरुर्साक्षात् महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. ओम. ನಾನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಡಬಲ್ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಆಯಿತು, ಗುರು ಆಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕು ಅದೇನು ಕರ್ತೃ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನೇನಂದರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತದೆ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಏನು ನಾನು ಉಕಾರ ಅಂತ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ, ಉಕಾರ ಅಂತ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ is similar to now just as we have studied ikara anta napunsakalinga like vari varini varini, same way we study madhu madhuni madhuni. Only difference is wherever there is e vari, wherever there is a e in place of e in for madhu it will be o, that's all. Remaining all will be same. Vari varini varini, madhu madhuni madhuni, varini varini e long e short e, same ಇಲ್ಲಿ long u short u. vari varini varini, see vari ವಾರಿಣಿ ವಾರಿಣಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ವಾರಿಣಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾರಿಣಿ, isn't it? ಈಣಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಮಧು ಮಧುನಿ, ನೋಡಿ ಮಧುನಿ ಮಧುನಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಮಧು ಮಧುನಿ ಮಧುನಿ. ಇನಿ ಈನಿ ದೇ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉನಿ ಊನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಊ ಕಮ್ಸ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ತೃತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಹರಿಶಬ್ದ, ಹರಿಣ ಹರಿಭ್ಯಾಂ ಹರಿಭಿಃ, ಸೇಮ್. ವಾರಿಣ ವಾರಿಭ್ಯಾಂ ವಾರಿಭಿಃ. ಇನ್ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ರಾಮಶಬ್ದ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ನಪುಂಸಕ ಅಕಾರಾಂತ ನಪುಂಸಕ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಲಂ ಫಲಂ ಫಲೇ ಫಲಾನಿ. ಇನ್ ತೃತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಫಲೇನ ಫಲಾಭ್ಯಾಂ ಫಲೈಃ ಲೈಕ್ ರಾಮಶಬ್ದ. ಬಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ನಪುಂಸಕ ವಾರಿಣ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಹರಿಣ, ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ತೃತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಇನ್ ಪುಂಲಿಂಗ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಹರಿಣ ಹರಿಭ್ಯಾಂ ಹರಿಭಿಃ, ವಾರಿಣ ವಾರಿಭ್ಯಾಂ ವಾರಿಭಿಃ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಮಧುನ ಮಧುಭ್ಯಾಂ ಮಧುಭಿಃ, ಮಧುನ we say madhuna madhubhyam madhubhi. So there is no difference. In chaturthi vibhakti nakara gets added, a remains. Varine we say, varina varibhyam varibhyah, varina varibhyam varibhyah. Similarly madhune, no sorry, chaturthi ki varine. Similarly madhune madhubhyam madhubhyah. Just as in Tritiya Vibhakti na gets added, here also na gets added, na, only na gets added, then a remains. A is the pratyaya. Varine like madhune. That's all. Remaining all are same. Then one more thing. Then Rukarantas Napunsakalinga. Now we have studied Ukaranta Napunsakalinga and Rukaranta. Rukaranta he is giving a kartru. Kartru just like vari varini varini, kartru kartruni kartruni, like vari varini varini, madhu madhuni madhuni, kartru kartruni kartruni, same. Ika tritiya vibhakti, when it comes to tritiya vibhakti, just like madhuna kartruna, kartrubhyam kartrubhihi, same. Then chaturthi also kartrune. Na ne comes in varina. See, ಫಾರ್ ವಾರಿ ना वी से तृतीय विभक्ति, ने चतुर्थी विभक्ति. Same thing madhu also. Madhuna, madhune, kartruna, kartrune. Same for all the three same. This is the fourth vibhakti. Fourth ekavachana. In fourth ekavachana, वारी तृतीय विभक्ति वारिणा वारिभ्याम वारिभिः. तृतीय you take madhuna madhubhyam madhubih. Then kartru for kartru kartruna kartrubhyam kartrubih. Kartruna means only na. Only na alone changes. Remaining are known to us. What is that? Varibhyam varibih. Madhubhyam madhubih. Simply bhyam bihi added. No sandhi, no changes, nothing. Similarly, coming to the kartru, tritiya ekavachana kartruna, because of the previous vowel, na changes to na. Kartruna, because of the ru, Then kartruna kartrubhyam kartrubhihi. Chaturthi kartrune kartrubhyam kartrubhyah. It is simple. Only ekavachana if you learn, remaining all are easy, isn't it? Ika prathama dvitiya वारी वारिणी वारिणी मधु मधुनी मधुनी कर्तृ कर्तृणी कर्तृणी. All the three are similar. वारी वारिणी वारिणी मधु मधुनी मधुनी कर्तृ कर्तृणी कर्तृणी. That's all. These three are just similar. So prathama and dvitiya vibhakti forms of napumsakalinga of ikaranta ukaranta rukaranta will be just the same. Then tritiya dvivachana bahuvachana is simple, so we need not discuss. Only ekavachanas. Na ne. If you remember, na is for ekavachana, ne for chaturthi. Sorry, na for tritiya vibhakti, ne for chaturthi vibhakti. For all the three it is same. Vari na, madhu na, kartru na, ekavachanas. Chaturthi vibhakti, vari ne, madhu ne, kartru ne. That's all. So, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Ekavachanas we are learning. Prathama, Dvitiya Vibhakti, one line is enough because the same thing is used for Prathama Vibhakti as well as Dvitiya Vibhakti. So, one line if you learn, it applies to two Vibhaktis. Then Tritiya Vibhakti only Ekavachana, Chaturthi Vibhakti only Ekavachana. Vivachana, Bahuvachana, Bhyam Bihi, Bhyam Bhya. That's simple. So, this much. So, we learnt उकारंत पुनलिंग शब्द गुरु. फोर विभक्तिस. गुरु गुरु गुरवः गुरुम गुरु गुरून् गुरुणा गुरुभ्याम गुरुभिः गुरवे गुरुभ्याम गुरुभ्यः. नेत्रु शब्द we have taken. Kartru also okay. Netru kartu you can take it. Neta netarau netarah netaram netarau netrun. Netra, Netrun, like Gurun, Raman, Harin, like that. So, then Kartra, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhihi, Kartre, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhyah. Four vibhakti side. In these things, one more we learned. Neta is a one form where the true Netru takes a vruddhi. Netar it becomes. But in Bhratru and Pitru, it becomes short. Bhrata, Bhratarau, Bhrataraha. Tarau agalla. It won't take Tarau. Bhratarau, Bhrataraha, Bhrataram, Bhratarau, Bhratrun. Then coming to Pitru. Pitru also same thing. I think Pitru may come later here only. So, Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Pitarau is a short form. Pitarau, Pitarau agalla. It won't become Pitarau. Pitarau, Pitaraha. Pitaram,
Kalidasa's Jagata.
Pitarau vande. True. So Pitarau, Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun. Pitrun. Ali. See, Pitru is a vowel. Therefore, Pitru helabeku, Pitru helabaru. Pitru, because Taki Ru. We were only putting vowel there, vowel only. See, idu P, Pitru. But this is Pitra. Because Ta and Ra, two are consonants and A is a vowel. Therefore, Pitra you can say, you can stress it. But whereas in Pitru don't say that. Pitru. Because one consonant, one vowel. There are no two consonants. Sanyukta Akshara is not there. Therefore, Pitru. Pitru, Pitruni, like Pitru, Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun helaba. Should not say Pitrun. Thru becomes long. Pitrun. Like that. Kartrun, there also. Kar is already there. Trun is a long one. Kartrun, Netrun, lightly you have to pronounce it. Okay. Now we have learnt the forms. Only we have to see some extra forms. Before that I'll tell you, as I told you, this Netru, in Netru, Neta, Netarau, Netaraha, it becomes long. So is Netru Shabda. Netarau. Another is Pitru. Pitru, Bhratru. So in these things, there are a few exceptions. This is normal rule. Taking the long Vruddhi is normal, but a few exceptions are there. Exceptions are also several words are there. One is Pitru, another is Bhratru. For Bhratru, what you say? Bhrata. Prathama Ekavachana will be anyway long, but remaining four will be short. Bhratarau, Bhrataraha, Bhrataram, Bhratarau. In here, he has given in our book, you can see some of the Rukaranta Shabdas. Out of them, I'll tell you, you can mark them. One is Jamatru. Jamatru, you got it? After Guru. Jamatru goes to Pitru form. Jamata, Jamatarau, Jamataraha, Jamataram, Jamatarau. You can mark it as a Jamatru. If you mark it, it is a short form. That means it doesn't take a long form. Next, Tvashta is a long. Devru is a short again. Devru andre yaru? Kannada Devru alla. Devru andre in Hindiyalli Devar ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Lakshmana is a Devru. Lakshmana is a Deva of Sita. Husband's brother, younger brother is called Devru. Deva, Devarau, Devaraha. Deva, Dirghavagalla. Deva, Devarau, Devaraha, Devaram, Devarau, Devrun. Okay. Next is Nru. Nru andre, after Nru is also short. Okay. Nru is a short. Nru, Narau, Naraha. Naram, Narau, Nrun. See, in Nru Shabda there are two forms. One is a Naraha, Narau, Naraha. Akaranta Punlinga Rama Shabdavat. Naraha, a man. Naraha, Narau, Naraha. Naram, Narau, Naran. That is Akaranta Punlinga Shabda. But there another is Rukaranta Shabda, Nru. Nru. Shall I write or you remember?
Something in writing.
See, Naraha, Narau, Naraha. Idondu form. This is Nru. Nru, Narau, Naraha. That's what I'm telling. Na narau naraha. Naram narau nroon. See the difference. ಇದು ಅಕಾರಾಂತ ಪುಂಲಿಂಗ ಲೈಕ್ ರಾಮ ಶಬ್ದ. ನರಹ ಇಸ್ ಏಕವಚನ. ನರೌ ನರಾಹ ಲೈಕ್ ರಾಮಾಹ. ಬಟ್ ವೇರಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರುಕಾರಾಂತ ಶಬ್ದ, ಪ್ರಥಮ ಏಕವಚನ ನಾ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅಲೋನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಬಟ್ ನರೌ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ನರೌ ಕೆನ್ ಬಿ ರುಕಾರಾಂತಾಸ್ ದ್ವಿವಚನ ಆರ್ ನರ ಶಬ್ದಾಸ್ ದ್ವಿವಚನ, ನರೌ ನರೌ ಸೇಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ನರಹ ಕೆನ್ ಮೀನ್, ನರಹ ಈಸ್ ರುಕಾರಾಂತಾಸ್ ಬಹುವಚನ, ಬಟ್ ಅಕಾರಾಂತಾಸ್ ಏಕವಚನ. ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಅಕಾರಾಂತಾಸ್ ಏಕವಚನ ನರಹ. If you take it as akaranta, it will become one man. If you take it rukaranta naraha, it will become bahuvachana. Na narau naraha. Therefore, this will be a confusion. This we have to see according to the context. We have to interpret this. See this. This narau narau is same. So whether you take this or this doesn't make any difference. But in naraha naraha, in rukaranta shabda, naraha is a plural. Na narau naraha. But whereas akaranta punlinga, naraha is ekavachana. Naraha narau naraha. Coming to the dvitiya vibhakti, second vibhakti. See naram, narau, naran we say. But here naram naram is same. Na naram. Naram is same. Naram naram, whether you take akaranta, whether you take rukaranta, it is same. This narau also same. Only in plural changes. Here it is naran, this is nroon. Nroon. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲವಾ?
ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ.
So this is so naran or nroon, that's the difference. So naraha, this much if you remember. So in that right list we are making shorter forms. One is pitru, second no jamatru is one, devru 2, nru 3, then pitru 4, and pitru 4, bhratru he has not given here. Bhratru is how many? Sixth?
1, 2, 3, 4, fifth.
Let me see.
Jamatru, Devru,
Pitru, Bhratru, Jamatru, Devru, Nru. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ಸವ್ಯೇಷ್ಟ್ರು. ಸವ್ಯೇಷ್ಟ್ರು. I think ಸವ್ಯೇಷ್ಟ್ರು is not covered. ಸವ್ಯೇಷ್ಟ್ರು last charioteer. Last word. Last word ಸವ್ಯೇಷ್ಟ್ರು.
ಸವ್ಯೇನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸವೇಷ್ಟ್ರು.
ಸವ್ಯ. ವ್ಯ. ವಾ and ಯಾ.
ಯಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ವಾಕಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸವ್ಯ. In Kannada ವಾಕಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು, but in Sanskrit va is half and ya is complete. ಸವ್ಯೇಷ್ಟ್ರು. Savyeshtru is a charioteer. So these 6 words, in these 6 words, the list is given. The book itself covers, you can see them. The 6 words, they are shorter forms. They don't take longer forms. In the book itself, 69 page, you can see the list of them. Pitru, Bhratru, Jamatru, Devru, Nru, Savyeshtru. Change the final ru to ar only, not r. Ar. He has given these 6 forms. These 6. If you remember these 6 forms, then it becomes easy. I think remaining how many words are there just for our own counting? One is Tvashtru. Tvashta, Tvashtarau, Tvashtaraha. Middle column first name. Sikkita? Tvashta. Tvashta, Tvashtarau, Tvashtaraha, it is a long one. Then Dhata, Dhatarau, Dhataraha, number 2. After 2, then Bhartru. Bharta, Bhartarau, Bhartaraha, third one. Then third. Then coming to the, what is that? Karta. Fourth one. Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha. Karta, he is giving both masculine and feminine. See, Karta, Kartar. neuter. Karta, kartarau, kartaraha. Then remaining all these things you can take two. Ganta, gantarau, gantaraha masculine, but at the same time neuter. Data, datarau, dataraha. Datru, datruni, datruni. Then drashta, next you see. Drashta, drashtarau, drashtaraha masculine and also neuter. Drashtu, drashtuni, drashtuni. Dveshtru. Dveshta andre hater. Adveshta sarvabhutanam. Dveshta, one who hates. Adveshta, one who doesn't hate. Dveshta, dveshtarau, dveshtaraha. Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitrah karunayevacha. Gita, 12th chapter. So dveshta. So dveshta is one who hates. Then next to rakshitru. Rakshitru, this is again a punlinga. Rakshita, rakshitarau, rakshitaraha. All these forms take long. Only those 6 alone take the short. Now remaining vocabulary we'll just read out. I think there is nothing much. Now, issue. Okay. Issue is an arrow. We have learned 2 words. One is shara, another is bana. We learned 2 words so far. 2 are akaranta shabdas. Sharaha and banaha. Sharaha, banaha, 2 we have learned. Now the 3rd word is ukaranta. Like guruhu, guru, guravaha. Ishuhu, ishu, ishavaha. Ishavaha. Ishuhu, ishu, ishavaha. Okay, like that. Then ishum, ishu, ishun aguttade. Ishuna, no, rura, sha, na aguttade. Ishuna, ishubhyam, ishubhihi, like that. Then chaturthi ekavachana will be ishave. Ishave. ಅದು ರುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಶವೇ ನಮಃ. ರುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. And then ನಮೋ, I forgot it. Rudra. Bahubhyam tavadhanvane. Then ishave namaha. Ishu means your issue. I salute your issue. Nimma issuege namaskara. Shivanige ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Ishave namaha. To your issue, to your arrow, nanna namaskara. Okay. Then issue. After that, Rutuparnaha, name of a person. Rutuparna is a Raja. Rutuparnaha is a Raja, king. Then Kapolaha. Kapola is a Kapola ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಲ್ಲವ ಕಪೋಲ. ಕಪಾಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್. ಕಪಾಲ ಇದು, ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್. ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದೆ. ಕಪಾಲ ಹೊಡೆಯುವುದು, ಕಪಾಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆಯುವುದು. ಇದು ಕಪಾಲ, ಇದು ಕಪೋಲ. ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಪಾಲ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಕಪಾಲ ಇಸ್ ಇದು ತಲೆ, ಇದು ಕಪೋಲ. ಚೀಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಪೋಲ, ಈ ತಲೆ ಈಸ್ ಕಪಾಲ. ಇದು ಕಪೋಲ. ಕಪಾಲ ಹೊಡೆಯುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಪೋಲ ಹೊಡೆಯುವುದು. ಕಪೋಲ ತಾಡನಂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಪೋಲಂ ತಾಡಯತಿ. ಕಪೋಲಂ ಸಿ ಏಕಂ ಕಪೋಲಂ ತಾಡಯತಿ ಚೇತ್ ಕಿಂ ಅನ್ಯಮಪಿ ದರ್ಶಯತಿ ತಾಡನಾಯ. ಸಿ ಅನ್ಯಮಪಿ ಕಪೋಲಂ ತಾಡಯ ಇತಿ ದರ್ಶಯತಿ. ಕಸ್ಯೇದಂ ಫಿಲಾಸಫಿ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಮಹಾತ್ಮನಃ. ಏಕಂ ಕಪೋಲಂ ತಾಡಯತಿ ಚೇತ್ ಅನ್ಯಮಪಿ ತಾಡಯ ಇತಿ ತಾಡನಾಯ ದರ್ಶಯತಿ. ತಾದೃಶೋ ಭವೇತ್. ಇದು ಏನದು, ಸರ್ಮನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೌಂಟ್. ಬೈಬಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಮನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿಯಾನಿಟಿ ನೆವರ್ ಟುಕ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. Christianity took their theology alone. Jesus died for you and you believe him. That's all. Jesus miracles. Jesus died for you. He forgives your sin. You are born sinner. And then you believe him and this thing. That's all they talk of him. You only believe Jesus. Jesus died on the cross and again reappeared. These alone, these 3-4 points are important. And Sermon on the Mount, nobody cared. In the last 2000 years, nobody cared for Sermon on the Mount. It is just nominal. And if you talk to the Christians and missionaries and the churches, they say that Sermon on the Mount was taught to his own apostles. 12 apostles iddaralla. It was taught only for them, not for general Christians. It is Vivekananda who popularized it. He says Jesus means only Sermon on the Mount. See how great it is, Advaita, Vedanta, all this thing. Then Hindus started getting attracted to Christianity because he told Jesus taught Sermon on the Mount. But in the midst of Christianity, Sermon on the Mount is not meant for normal Christians at all. And it is Vivekananda took it out of context and started explaining, and it is, oh, this is a real thing. And once he made it, then Christian missionaries found for Hindus, Sermon on the Mount has got a great attraction. We can use it for conversing because we can fool Hindus, because when their own guru is praising it so much, that means these Hindus can be fooled with our Sermon on the Mount, which neither we follow nor we care for it. But they take it very interesting. This is our wisdom, our guru's wisdom. What doesn't exist in their statement, you give an importance and praise the religion which doesn't exist there. What doesn't exist in their religion, we praise. And then Gandhiji made it popular. And then he says, if somebody takes one coat of you, coat means the wearing coat, coat of you, you give him, if he takes his hat, if he robs his hat, give the coat also for him. This is what the Sermon on the Mount. Has any apostle followed this? Or has any Jesus followed ever this, which he taught? If this is the teaching meant for whole Christianity, you think Christianity will be strong on the earth? No. Who will live on the earth like this? If a thief comes, if he wants to take one thing, give him the whole house. If he wants to kidnap one person, give away all 10 people to him. So, this Sermon on the Mount, it did not exist, did not have any respect, any value in Christianity. Gandhiji told, if the one Hindu is killed, let all of us die in their hands. So we made them a philosophy. We call Gandhiji was a true Hindu. Gandhiji was a follower of a Sermon on the Mount, not a Hindu. He was a Christian Hindu. If he slaps on one cheek, show the other cheek also. He will slap that cheek also. What will you do? Do you have a third cheek? Show me where do you have third cheek. He already slaps one cheek. You show the other one. That also he slaps. Then where will you go? You have no third cheek. Then you apologize. Sorry, I don't have third cheek. Otherwise, I would have offered you to beat me even that also. Slap me even on that also. He says that no, I have. Yes, you owe me one more cheek. If you don't have it, you bring your people, your Hindus. We will slap all of them. Thank you for slapping me, because we are the followers of Sermon on the Mount according to our Gandhiji and Vivekananda. They wrote a book, published a book. Sermon on the Mount is great. Sermon on the Mount according to Vedanta. Somebody published a book. It is there right in front, right on my table. It is there. And Gandhiji. And Hindus are not taught, pumped on it. Pumped these statements. How great is the Bible? How great is the Christianity? So this is Kapola. Okay, next. Now, Kapola is cheek. Then Guru, who we have already learned. Guru, see how he translates into English. So it is for English people, for foreigners to explain to them. Preceptor or venerable person. Two is there. It is a Guru, is a Guru, as well as any respectable person is also called Guru, like father and mother. Father, mother, uncle, or even grandfather. Then who are in that place, who are as respectable as, means Guru Tulya, we say them. Guru Tulya is also called Guru. That's why in Karnataka you see any respectable sadhu, brahmana, Gurugale and ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Guru means a respectable person equal to Guru, not exactly Guru, equal to Guru. Somebody respectable person, like that. Gurugale, they call it. So Guru, okay. Then Jamatru. Jamatru is Jamatru in Urdu, in Hindi they call it Damad. In Marathi, Javai. Javai, that's Jamatru. It is a son-in-law. Allave. Son-in-law, Jamatru. It is Jamatarau, shorta. It takes Jamata, Jamatarau, Jamataraha, like that. So it is Jamatru is a son-in-law. Then Tadagaha. Tadaga, Tataka, what do you call in Kannada? Tadaga, Tataka. Illa. The lake is called tank. Tank or lake is called Tadaga and Tataka. Tataka, Tadaga people call it. Tadaga Jalam, Tataka Jalam. A tank or a lake. Lake is Saras, but this is a Tadaga. Tank. Then Taruhu. We have learnt Vrikshaha. And one more, only Vrikshaha we learnt? Only Vrikshaha. Vrikshaha we have learnt. We got one more word, that is Ukaranta, Taruhu. Taruhu. Vrikshaha is Akaranta. Taruhu is Ukaranta. So make the form. Taruhu, Taru.
Taruhu, Taru, Taravaha.
Kalpa Vriksha, just as we say Kalpataru. Kalpataru is Kalpa Vriksha. Okay. Next is Tvashtru. Tvashta is an architect of gods. Deva Shilpi, we call them. Deva Shilpi, among the Devas, there is a Shilpi who makes the world, who creates the world. So Tvashta, Tvashtarau, Tvashtaraha. Tvashtaram, Tvashtarau, Tvashtrun. The pronunciation is a little difficult, one has to practice it. So Tritiya Ekavachana is Tvashtra, Chaturthi Ekavachana is Tvashtre. Tvashtra, Tvashtrubhyam, Tvashtrubhi, Tvashtre, Tvashtrubhyam, Tvashtrubhyah. So this is Tvashta, Shataru, Tvashtru, okay. Durjanaha, a wicked person. Devru, husband's brother. Like Lakshmana is a Devru for Sita. So Deva, Devarau, Devaraha, Devaram. In Kannadalli Devaru is a different father. Allave? So Devaram, Devarau, Devrun. In Hindi they call it Devar. In Hindi, adu yalello Hindi Devar ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Lakshmana is a Devar. For Sita, Lakshmana is a Devar. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹಿಂದಿ ಹಾಡು ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ದೇವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರದರ್. ಧಾತೃ. I think it is a okay. So Dhatru, the creator. So Dhata, Dhatarau, Dhata Purastadyamuda Jahara. Dhata, Jagattina Dhata. Purastat, Modalu. Yam, Yavadannu, Udajahara, ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲು ಧಾತ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಆದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಓಂಕಾರ. ಧಾತ ಪುರಸ್ತಾದ್ಯಮುದಾ ಜಹಾರ. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋದ? ಶಕ್ರಃ ಪ್ರವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಪ್ರದಿಶಶ್ಚತಸ್ರಃ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಂಕಾರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಆದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಓಂಕಾರ. ಧಾತ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್. ದೆನ್ ರು. ನಾ ನರೌ ನರಃ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ 4 ವಿಭಕ್ತಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ. ನಾ ನರೌ ನರಃ, ನರಂ ನರೌ ನೃನ್. ಚತುರ್ಥಿ ತೃತೀಯ ಏಕವಚನ ನೃ. ನೃ ನಾಕೆ ರಾವತ್ತಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಿ ನರೇಣ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನರೇಣ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ನರಹ ಅಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಪುಂಲಿಂಗ ನರೇಣ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ನೃ ಶಬ್ದದ ತೃತೀಯ ಏಕವಚನ ನೃ. ನೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ನೃಭಿಃ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನರಾಭ್ಯಾಂ ನರೈಃ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ನೃಭಿಃ. ನೃಸಿಂಹ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ? ನರಸಿಂಹ ನೃಸಿಂಹ ಎರಡೂ ಇದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ನೃಸಿಂಹ, ನೃ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೃಸಿಂಹ, ನರಸಿಂಹ. ನೃಸಿಂಹ ಅದು ನರಸಿಂಹ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. Therefore, you can see them 2 forms are Narasimha and Nrisimha, both are forms. Okay. So, Tritiya Ekavachana is Nra, Naki Ravattu. Nra, Nrubhyam, Nrubihi. Chaturthi Ekavachana Nre, Nre, Nrubhyam, Nrubhyah. That is Nra, Nra, Nrubhyam, Nrubihi. Sorry. Nra, Nrubhyam, Nrubihi. Hilli Nre, Nrubhyam, Nrubhyah. But Nara Shabda is different. Narena Narabhyam Naraihi Naraya Narabhyam Narebhyaha. Adu Nara Shabda is like Rama Shabda. Nru Shabda is like Rukaranta Shabda. Okay. Then Parashu. Parashu is an axe. Axe, what do you call?
Kodali.
ಕೊಡಲಿ. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಇನ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್. ಕೊಡಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಇದಿರುತ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಯು ಪರಶು ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ. ಕೊಡಲಿ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಗೊಡ್ಡಲಿ. ಗುದ್ದಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ? ಗುದ್ದಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಗೊಡ್ಡಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗುದ್ದಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಗುದ್ದಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ದಿಸ್ ಪರಶು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್. ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು.
ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್. ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲವಾ? ಹೀಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರುತ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕತ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪದ ಇದೆ.
ಓಹೋ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕತ್ತಿ ಅಂತ.
ಹಾಂ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಶುಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಲಿ. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೊಡವಲಿ. We call this as a kodavali, and then this axe which we cut the wood with these things like this ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಗೊಡ್ಡಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಗುದ್ದಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ
ಗುದ್ದಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಓಹೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೇಡ್. ಸ್ಪೇಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಪೇಡ್ಕು ಗುದ್ದಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ? ಸ್ಪೇಡ್ಕು ಪಾವಡಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಪೇಡ್ಗೆ ಪಾವಡ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಪಾವಡ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಬಿಡು. ಪರಶು ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಉಕಾರ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಪರಶು ಪರಶವಃ, ಗುರವಃ. ಸೊ ಪರಶುರಾಮ. ವೈ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಪರಶು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸ್ ರಾಮ. ರಾಮ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸ್. Rama carrying a ox, ಅಥವಾ axe carrying Rama. We have to translate like that. Axe carrying Rama, ಅಥವಾ axe carrier Rama ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. Axe carrying Rama. So Rama of axe. Okay. So parashu parashavah, parashum parashun, parashuna, parashubhyam parashubhi, parashave. Isn't Gurave hage Parashave, Parashubhyam, Parashubhyah. Okay, next word. Then Parashurama, he has given anyway. See, Parashurama is a Brahmana hero who exterminated the warrior caste. Idella yake? Parashurama means Rama who carries Parashu. That should have been the translation. And he gives all Puranic story here. Then Pamsu. Pamsu is again a Punlinga. Pamsu is dhuli, dust. Pamsu. Pamsuhu, Pamsu, Pansavaha. Pamsum, Pamsu, Pamsoon. Pamsuna, Pamsave. That's all. Mikkade you can see them. Okay, then Pitru. Pitru we have studied. Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Short. It should not be long. Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun. Pitrun we have to say lightly. Pitrun ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಬಾರದು. ನಾಟ್ ಒತ್ತಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಪಿತೃನ್. ದೆನ್ ಏಕವಚನ, ತೃತೀಯ ಏಕವಚನ ಪಿತ್ರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಫಾದರ್. ಪಿತೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ಪಿತೃಭಿಃ. ಪಿತ್ರ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಪಿತೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ಪಿತೃಭಿಃ ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ. ದೆನ್ ಪಿತ್ರೇ, ಪಿತೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ಪಿತೃಭ್ಯಃ. ಪಿತ್ರೇ ಟು ದ ಫಾದರ್. ಪಿತ್ರೇ అంటే ಜನಕಾಯ. ಪಿತೃ ಇಸ್ ಜನಕ. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ರಭು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಭು. ಪ್ರಭು ಪ್ರಭವಃ. ಪ್ರಭೂನ್ ಪ್ರಭುನಾ ಪ್ರಭುಭ್ಯಾಂ ಪ್ರಭುಭಿಃ. ಪ್ರಭವೇ ಪ್ರಭುಭ್ಯಾಂ ಪ್ರಭುಭ್ಯಃ. ಭೂ. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ರಭು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಪ್ರಭೋ ಸಂಬೋಧನಾ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಭೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿ, ಅವರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ knowledge of Sanskrit is going away. Recently one girl, there was a little controversy in Facebook. Hara Hara Shambhu she sang. You heard that? Hara Hara Shambhu she sang. But Hara Hara Shambhu is a Hindi or even Kannada. But in Sambodhana Vibhakti of Sanskrit, Haraha is a Visarga, Ramaha like that. Sambodhana Vibhakti? ಹರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹರಿ ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹರೇ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ, ಇಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹರಿ ಶಬ್ದ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು. Its Sambodhana Vibhakti Hare. But Haraha is a Shiva. Hari is different from Haraha. Haraha is like Ramaha. Ramaha Ramau, Ramaha, Haraha Harau, Haraha. Rama Shabdasya Sambodhana Vibhakti? Rama. That's all, without Visarga. Similarly, Hara, without Visarga. Hara Hara. Sambodhana, He Shiva, it means. Hara Hara means He Hara. Hare is Vishnu. Hara is Shiva. He Hara, andre O Shiva. Okay. Shambhu, what is the Prathama Vibhakti? Sambodhana Vibhakti of Shambhu, it has not come. We'll learn that tomorrow's lesson. Next lesson we learn. Sambodhana Vibhakti of Shambhu. Her Guru is Guru. Shambho, Okara it should be. Like Hari Shabdas Sambodhana Vibhakti Hare. Guru Shabdas Sambodhana Vibhakti Guru. That's why He Guru we call it. He Guru andre E Gurugale. He Guru andre O Guruve ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಗುರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಂಭು ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಂಭೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಹರ ಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಹರ ಹರ ಶಂಭು ಶಿ is singing. Nobody bothered to correct, and she also doesn't learn from somebody who knows Sanskrit. Anybody sings it and popularize it. Why do you do that? Hara hara is Sambodhana Vibhakti. Shambho ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಶಂಭು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹರ ಹರ ಶಂಭು she says. They push the Hindi in the name of Sanskrit. And they say, we know Sanskrit, we are singing Sanskrit songs. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu ಹೇಳಿದನೆಲ್ಲ same problem with this thing. ಹರ ಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಶಂಭು ಅಲ್ಲ. She repeats this, ಹರ ಹರ ಶಂಭು ಜೋರಾಗಿ, loudly she screams, and everybody, this has become a viral, everybody sings it. Oh, ಹರ ಹರ ಶಂಭು, ಹರ ಹರ ಶಂಭು. ಶಂಭು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹರ ಹರ is ಸಂಬೋಧನಾ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ, ಶಂಭೋ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Shambho is He Shambho we call it. Oh Shambho is a Sambodhana Vibhakti. Hara Hara Shambho. We have to say Hara Hara Shambho, Hara Hara Shambho. Like Prabho, it is a Sambodhana Vibhakti. Prabhu Allah. Prabho ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. He Prabho ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. He Prabho is a Sambodhana Vibhakti. That will come later. Okay. Bahu. Bahu is arm. Bahu. Hand is hastaha. Panihi. We learnt 2 words. Hastaha, panihi. Bahuhu, this. Bhuja is this. Bhujaha, and this is bahuhu. This portion is bahu. Bahu bandaha. In certain ornament you tie here is called bahu bandaha. Bahu.
Bahubali.
Bahubali, Mahabahu. Like that. Bahubali andre this Bhujabala. This, that is strength of the arms. Strength of the arm, Bhujabala is Bahubala. Bahubali, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು Mahabahu, Ajanubahu. See, Mahabahu andre having a long, very strong Bahu. Ajanubahu andre up to Janu is a long Bahu. Janu is a mandi, this knee. Ajanu, up to Janu, up to knee. Whose hands are up to knee. Ajanubahu. It's a little exaggeration. That means this Bahu are little longer than usual. That's what it means. Not too long. If they are long like this thing, you look like chimpanzee or gorilla. Gorilla, you have seen that? If gorillas, this thing, this bahu will be, arms will be so long that up to knee you may go. That's why you see the chimpanzee or gorilla when it walks, you can see them. Don't see that Rama was like a gorilla. That's not the idea. Thing is, this bahu is, some people have little too short, he has got little longer. That means when they are little longer, it becomes very easy for what you call arrow and all that in that war. That will be very convenient if you have got little longer. Ajanubahu, I think little exaggeration. Ajanubahu, Mahabahu. Then Mahabahu, Arjuna he says. Mahabahu in Bhagavad Gita. Then Bahubali. Then Bahu, where else comes? Bahu. Bahu is different. Bahu means very much. Many. Bahala in Kannada we call it. Bahu means more. Bahu is different. Bahu is different. But Hindi Bahu is different. In Hindi Bahu is like daughter-in-law. In Hindi Bahu is different. So don't mix up this. So that is different. So Bahu. Bahu is an arm. Bahuhu Bahu. Bahavaha. Bahuhu Bahu. Guravaha, like that. Bahum Bahu Bahun. Bahuna Bahubhyam Bahubhi Bahave. Chaturthi Vibhakti. Gurave, like that. Bahuve ಹೇಳಬಾರದು. You should not say Bahuve, but say Bahave. Okay, next pada. Then Bindu. Bindu is honey. In Kannada we call it honey. Not English honey, Kannada honey. I use it to get confused. Honey means I use it to think English honey. So Bindu is a drop. What is that? Binduhu Bindu, Bindavaha, Jala Bindu. Jala Bindu, Hima Bindu. We call it Bindu is a drop. Where else comes Bindu? Jala Bindu, Hima Bindu. I think these are only two words we see them commonly. Jalabindu means ನೀರಿನ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿನ ಹನಿ. ಜಲಬಿಂದು ಬಿಂದು ಬಿಂದುವಾಗಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಬಿಂದು ಬಿಂದುನ ಅದು ಬಿಂದು ರೂಪೇಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಂದು ಬಿಂದು ಬಿಂದವಃ ಜಲಬಿಂದು ಅಮೃತ ಬಿಂದು. See, that's it. All these names are known. If you see them, you don't have to memorize all these things. Jalabindu, Himabindu, ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. People take their names to their girls, daughters. Himabindu, I have seen one girl's name Himabindu. Amruta Bindu, drop of nectar. If Bindu alone, in used in Hindu is boond. एक बूंद का पानी. ಅದು ಒಂದು in Hindi there is a film song, old, very quite old. तुम प्यार के सागर हो, हम एक बूंद के प्यासे हम. We are thirsty of one drop. Oh Bhagavan, you are a प्यार का सागर है. You are a ocean of love, but we are thirsty of one drop. Why don't you give us? It's a Bhakta song. It's a very beautiful. तुम प्यार का सागर हो, हम एक बूंद के प्यासे हम. Somewhere I heard it. There are some people who are singing or sung, I think somewhere. So you are, I liked it that when I heard it. See, you are probably it is there a film, I think. I don't know, but somebody was singing. So you are a ocean of love, but we are thirsty of one drop of it. So बूंद is एक बूंद का पानी. बूंद पानी का बूंद जैसे. बिंदु is Sanskrit. So Indian languages, how through your Indian languages you can learn Sanskrit easily. That book is required. Somebody should design that book. So Binduhu, Binduhu Bindu, Bindavaha, Bindum Bindu, Bindun. Okay. Tritiya ekavachana Binduna, Bindubhyam, Bindubhi, Bindave. See, that is it. Bindave, Bindubhyam, Bindubhyah, Jala Binduhu. Okay, Binduhu Bindu, Bindavaha. Next is Bhartru. Bhartru, if you make it long, Bharta, I think Bharta is not common in Kannada. In Telugu it is commonly used. In even spoken language also. Bharta, Bhartarau, Bhartaraha. Bharta is a husband, Bharta is a master. Master means a ruler, a Prabhu. Like a Bharta means a ruler of a kingdom, Bharta. So Bharta is a ruler, Bharta is a husband, both. Bhartruhari, correct. Bhartruhari name is, it is a name of a person. Bhartruhari, correct. Bhartruhari, Bhartru Prapancha. Bhartru Prapancha is a one Vedanti in Shankara's time. Bhartru Prapancha, Bhartruhari, Bhartru. Then Bharta. Bharta, Bhartarau, Bhartaraha, Bhartaram, Bhartarau, Bhartrun. Bhartruna, Bhartrubhyam, Bhartrubhi. Bhartruna agallappa. Why are you making Bhartruna? Bhartruna is Napumsakalinga. Bhartra. Bhartra, Bhartrubhyam, Bhartrubhi, Bhartre. Na is for Napumsakalinga, not for Punlinga. Bhartra, Bhartre. Then Bhima. I think it is ringing. Somebody's. Okay, paravilla. Bhima. Bhima, Bhima. Bhima Shabda is Akaranta. That's all we don't need. Brahmaraha. Brahmara is Dumbi. Brahmara is B. Brahmaraha, Brahmarau, Brahmaraha. Like Akaranta is known, so I don't have to say that. The next is Manu. Manu is see, the Hindu legislator Allappa, Dharma Shastra Lekhakaha is a legislator, says that. It is not a law. Okay, so Dharma Shastra is that. So Manuhu is like a Guruhu. Manuhu, Manu, Manavaha. Manum, Manu, Manun, Manuna, Manubhyam, Manubhi, Manave. See, Manuve helbardu. Manave. Okay, next is go up. There you draw a line. Put a draw line and go up. No, totally Allah. First column ki, do you do that? That Rakshitru is there, middle column.
ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಹಾ ಹೌದು.
Rakshitru, you take it to the upper column. Means you below the Rakshitru, you put a line. Below the sister. Then where? Then go up to Madhu. Third column you do from Madhu. Madhu, below Savyashtru and above Madhu you draw the line. Then what happens? Remaining down are neuters only. All neuters are down and masculines are upper. Okay, so after this Manu will go to the Lakshmana because these are all masculine. Lakshmana akaranta punlinga, we know it. Vayuhu is ukaranta punlinga. Vayu, Vata has come. Vata is Vayu. Now Vayu is also Vayu. So Vayuhu Vayu, Vayavaha, Vayum Vayu, Vayun, Vayuna, Vayubhyam, Vayave.
ವಾಯುಭ್ಯಾಂ ವಾಯುಭ್ಯಃ.
Correct. Vayave, Vayudevata. Okay. Then Vignaha. Vignaha is Punlinga. We should remember. Vignaha, Vignau, Vigna. Vigna is Akaranta, like Ram Shabda, like obstacles. Then Vimargaha. Margaha is a right marga. Vimarga. Sanmargaha, Vimargaha. Vimarga means a wrong path. Vimargaha. Okay, Vishnu. Vishnu is like Ukaranta. There are Guru Shabda. Vishnu, Vishnu, Vishnavaha, Vishnum, Vishnu, Vishnun, Vishnuna, Vishnubhyam, Vishnubhi, Vishnave, Vishnave Namaha. Like that we have to say. Vishnave, Vishnubhyam, Vishnubhyaha. But Yesaya Namaha. The Yesu fellows, it is a Ukaranta Shabda. They do. So let nobody correct it. Nama fellows, Samskrita. See, our fellows don't know Sanskrit. That's why they are saved. Otherwise, if they know Sanskrit, they would have corrected it. Okay. Now next to Rakshitru. This you take it into Punlinga, upper. So Rakshita, Rakshitarau, Rakshitaraha. Allave. Rakshita, Rakshitarau, Rakshitaraha. Rakshitaram, Rakshitarau, Rakshitrun. Then Rakshitra, Rakshitrubhyam, Rakshitrubihi, Rakshitrubihi, Rakshitrubhyam, Rakshitre, Rakshitrubhyam, Rakshitrubhyaha. Okay. Next, then go to up. Shatru. Shatru is again Ukaranta. Ari we have learnt. Ari, Arihi, Ari, Arayaha, we learnt it. Now Shatruhu, Shatru, Shatravaha. Shatru, Taki Ravattalla, Taki Ravattu Ukara. Ru alla. Taki Ravattu and Ukara, we have to write it. Shatru, Shatruhu, it is vowel alla. It is a consonant and then Ukara. Ukaranta Shabda. Shatruhu, Shatru, Shatravaha. Shatrum, Shatru, Shatrun, Shatruna, Shatrubhyam, Shatrubhyaha. Shatrubhihi, correct. Shatrubhyam, Shatrubhihi, Shatrave, Shatrubhyam, Shatrubhyaha. Okay. Then Shambhu, it has come, you see. Shambhu, Shambhu, Shambhavaha, Shambhum, Shambhu, Shambhun, Shambhuna, Shambhubhyam, Shambhubihi, Shambhave Namaha. Shambhave, you have to say. Namah Shambhave, Shambhave Namaha. Like that. Shambhave, Shambhubhyam, Shambhubhyaha. Next to Savye, Shishu is one more. Shishu is an infant or a baby, child. Shishuhu, Shishu, Shishavaha. Shishum, Shishu, Shishun. Shishuna, Shishubhyam, Shishubhihi, Shishave. See, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Shishave, Shishubhyam, Shishubhyaha. Last Savyeshtru we have already done. Savyeshta, Savyeshtarau, it should be long, Allah, short. Savyeshtarau, Savyeshtaraha, Savyeshtaram, Savyeshtarau, Savyeshtrun. Idakki we have learnt already similar word, Saratihi. Savyeshtru is Saratihi, Savyeshta, Sarati. Now, 3 Napunsakalinga Shabda are here. What is that? Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni. Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni. Rashtram is a Napunsakalinga. Rashtram is Akaranta. Phalam, Phale, Phalani. Rashtram, Rashtre, Ni. Shana, Rashtrani, Rashtrena, Rashtrabhyam, Rashtraihi, Rashtraya, Rashtraya, Rashtrabhyam, Rashtrebhyaha, like Phalebhyaha. Okay. Vasu, Vasu means wealth. Vasumati, Vasudha, all these things. Vasu, Vasuni, Vasuni, Vasu is wealth. Vasu vasuni vasuni. Vasuna vasubhyam vasubhihi vasune. ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ. ವಸುನೆ ವಸುಭ್ಯಾಂ ವಸುಭ್ಯಃ. ವಸು ಇಸ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸ್ಕುಲೈನ್ ನ್ಯೂಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೋತ್. ಸೊ ಕರ್ತ ಕರ್ತಾರೌ ಕರ್ತಾರಃ, isn't it? ಕರ್ತಾರಂ ಕರ್ತಾರೌ ಕರ್ತॄನ್. ಕರ್ತ್ರ ಕರ್ತ್ರೆ. ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ಕರ್ತೃ ಕರ್ತೃಣಿ ಕರ್ತॄಣಿ ಕರ್ತೃ ಕರ್ತೃಣಿ ಕರ್ತॄಣಿ ಕರ್ತೃಣ. ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗವಾದರೆ ಕರ್ತ್ರ, ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ಆದರೆ ಕರ್ತೃಣ ಕರ್ತೃಣ ಏಕವಚನ. ದೆನ್ ಬಹುವಚನ, ದೆನ್ ಕರ್ತ್ರೆ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಕರ್ತ್ರೆ. ಅದೇ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ಕರ್ತೃಣೆ ಕರ್ತ್ರೆ ಕರ್ತೃಣೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಗಂತ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗೋವರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪುಂಲಿಂಗ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ, ಬೋತ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ವೈ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ? ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟು ಮಿತ್ರ. ಮಿತ್ರಂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಮಿತ್ರಂ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ. ಗಂತೃ ಮಿತ್ರಂ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿತ್ರ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ. ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಗಂತ ಗಂತಾರೌ ಗಂತಾರಃ, ಗಂತಾರಂ ಗಂತಾರೌ ಗಂತ್ರೂನ್ ಗಂತ್ರ ಗಂತ್ರೆ. ಇಫ್ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಗಂತೃ ಗಂತೃಣಿ ಗಂತ್ರೂಣಿ, ದೆನ್ ಗಂತೃಣ ಗಂತೃಣೆ. ತೃತೀಯ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಾತೃ ದಾತ ಗಿವರ್ ಡೋನಾರ್. ದಾತ ದಾತಾರೌ ದಾತಾರಃ ದಾತಾರಂ ದಾತಾರೌ ದಾತೃನ್. ದೆನ್ ದಾತ್ರ ದಾತ್ರೆ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗವಾದರೆ. ಈಗ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ದಾತೃ ದಾತೃಣಿ ದಾತೃಣಿ, ದೆನ್ ದಾತೃಣ ದಾತೃಣೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್, ದಾತೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ದಾತೃಭಿಃ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ದ್ರಷ್ಟೃ. ದ್ರಷ್ಟ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸೀಯರ್. As I told you, drush pashyati. Pashyati is in verb form, but in noun form it becomes a drashta. Drish is the main dhatu. That is used here, drashta. Darshanam, drashta, drishtihi. So drashta, drashtarau, drashtarah, drashtaram, drashtarau, drashtrun, drashtra, drashtre. ಇದು ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ. ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ದ್ರಷ್ಟು ದ್ರಷ್ಟುನಿ ದ್ರಷ್ಟೃನಿ ದ್ರಷ್ಟೃಣ ದ್ರಷ್ಟೃಣೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ದೆನ್ ದ್ರಷ್ಟು ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟೃ. ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟೃ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಹೇಟರ್. ಹೇಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎನಿಮಿ. ದ್ವಷ್ಟ ಸಿ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟ ಶತ್ರು ಅರಿ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಅರಿಹಿ ಶತ್ರು ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟ. ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟ ಅಂದರೆ ದ್ವೇಷಿಸುವವನು, ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಹೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟಾರೌ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟಾರಃ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟಾರಂ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟಾರೌ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟ್ರೂನ್ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟ್ರ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟ್ರೆ. ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟೃ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟೃಣಿ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟ್ರೂನಿ. ತೃತೀಯ ಏಕವಚನ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟೃಣ. ಚತುರ್ಥಿ ಏಕವಚನ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟೃಣೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಟ್ ಕುರಿತು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಹೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವರ್ಬ್. ಹೇಟ್, ಹೇಟೆಡ್, ಹೇಟೆಡ್. He hates, he is hating, all that. If you make an abstract noun out of it, hatred. Hatred itself is an abstract noun. Some people hatredness ಎಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Hatred is not an adjective. Hateful is adjective. Hating, hateful. But hatred is an abstract noun. You can't call hatredness. Hatred itself is dvesha. ದ್ವೇಷ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಟ್ರೆಡ್. ಹೇಟ್ರೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಪದ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೇಟ್ರೆಡ್. ಹೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೇಟ್ರೆಡ್. he bears hatred for him. He has a hatred for him. ಹೇಟ್ರೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಪದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೇಟ್ರೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಗ್ರ. ಅಗ್ರ ಇಸ್ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ. ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್? ಫಲಂ ಫಲೆ ಫಲಾನಿ. ಅಗ್ರಂ ಅಗ್ರೆ ಅಗ್ರಾಣಿ. ಅಗ್ರಂ. Then agram, agre, agrani. Agram means what is a tip of a something, anything, tip of a pen or something, tip of a pencil, agram. Enadu shakagram, vrukshagram.
Agresara.
Agre means ahead. Agre means ahead. Agre also is agre gacchati. Prushte, agre prushte. Prushta is back, agre is front. Agra is front. Agre gacchati. Sara andre sarati. Sru sarati sarati saratah saranti. In imperative mood, saratu saratam sarantu sarasaratham sarata. Sara, go ahead. Gaccha, like agre gaccha. Agre sara. Agre gaccha endartha. Agre sara means agre gaccha.
Okay.
Purogami. Puraha gacchati. Puraha means agre. Puraha means agre. Agre means puraha. Both mean the same thing. Agre gaccha, puro gaccha. Puro gaccha becomes purogami. ಪುರೋಹ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಇತಿ ಪುರೋಗಾಮಿ ಪದ ಇದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಪುರೋಗಾಮಿ. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಅಶ್ರು. ಅಶ್ರು ಈಸ್ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟೇರ್. ಅಶ್ರು ತರ್ಪಣಂ. ಅಶ್ರು ನಿವಾಳಿ, ಅಶ್ರು ಕಣ್ಣೀರು. ಅಶ್ರು ಅಶ್ರುಣಿ ಅಶ್ರೂಣಿ. ಸೇ ಅಶ್ರು ಅಶ್ರೂಣಿ ಅಶ್ರುಣ ಅಶ್ರುಣೇ. ಇದು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಧು ಮಧುನಿ ಮಧುನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ತಾಲು, ತಾಲು ಇಸ್ ಪೆಲೆಟ್. ತಾಲು ತಾಲುನಿ ತಾಲೂನಿ. ತಾಲುನ ತಾಲುನೇ, ಮಧು ಮಧುನಿ ಮಧುನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಫೆಮಿನೈನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು. ಅಮರಾವತಿ ಲೈಕ್ ನದಿ ಶಬ್ದ. ಅಮರಾವತಿ ಅಮರಾವತ್ಯೌ ಅಮರಾವತ್ಯಃ. ಓಕೆ. ಜಿಹ್ವಾ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಲಾ ಶಬ್ದ, ಟಂಗ್. ಜಿಹ್ವಾ ಜಿಹ್ವೆ ಜಿಹ್ವಾಹ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಎ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವಿನಯ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್. ಅವಿನಯ, ಯು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅವಿನಯ, ಅವಿನಯ is immodesty. Vinayah is modesty. Avinayah immodesty. Next is Chataka. Chataka is a bird which lives on raindrops alone. Chataka Pakshi. Chataka is a bird. Chataka bird, you can call Chataka only is a proper noun. Chataka bird that lives on only raindrops. See, rain, when they fall, you can see them, the bindu, jala bindu. See, varsha bindu. It doesn't take the bindu after falling on the ground. It waits for until the rainy season. If there is no rainy season, it will remain thirsty. It will not take the water on the ground. So when I have seen that one bird. When the drops are falling from him, it opens the mouth and then catches the drops like that. So Chataka waits for the raindrops to fall and then catches it. That's why some people use this example like a Chataka, we are waiting for somebody to come. Because whole summer it waits until the rainy season starts. It will not drink anything. Chataka bird waits for that water to. That's why we use that example. Our poets use it. Chataka bird.
ಚಾತಕ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ತರ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So he waits for that rains to fall. When the rainy season, that's why people say, hey, re Chataka, don't look to every cloud. Every cloud doesn't bring rain. Every cloud comes, it looks for it, opens the mouth and waits for it because it is feeling thirsty but doesn't not drink. So people say, hey, re Chataka, don't look at every cloud. Some of the clouds have no water. They come as a like a cotton white clouds. They don't carry any water. They don't drop also any water. So don't wait for it and then open your mouth and look at them and you'll be disappointed. You don't become so cheap endartha. Chataka, don't do like that, means don't become so cheap. Though you wait for that rain water, but don't become too cheap. Poets use that expression. Okay. Next is halahalam. Halahalam is a visham. Napunsakalinga. Visham has come before, but halahalam has come here. Okay. Oh, still there are a few more words. How much vocabulary? We have got a lot of vocabulary. I thought it will be over anyway. Shall we finish in 5 minutes? Okay. Okay. Next, indeclinables, avyayas. What are they? Anekashaha.
Adjectives.
Adjectives ಅಲ್ಲಿ adjectives over it. Kshudita. Kshuda is hunger. Kshudita, hungry. Kshuda is hunger. Kshudita is one who is hungry. Kshuditaha purushaha. Kshuditaha purushaha, like Kshuditaha janaha, like that. Kshudita is adjective. One who means those who are hungry, means hungry people. Kshudita janaha. Kshuditaha janaha, hungry people. Okay. Shama. Shama means dark. Shama means dark. So Shama, it can be any linga. It being an adjective, it can be used in any linga, whether masculine, feminine, neuter. Okay. Then indeclinables, anekashaha. Anekashaha andre mostly. Frequently, mostly. Bahusha means mostly. Anekashaha means often. He is calling it often. Anekashaha. Tu means but. Tu is but. But tu is not used at the beginning of a sentence. You have to use kim tu or parantu, or in the middle of the sentence you can say. You can't start the sentence with tu.
Okay. Starting kintu or parantu.
Kim pada should be there. Or you may use within the sentence. Ramastu. See, but Rama has not gone. So though he has called Rama has not gone, means Ramastu nagataha. Ramastu. You use the Rama and at the end ta you put it. But you can't start the sentence with tu Ramaha nagataha. You can't say that. Ramastu. Therefore, first you use the word and put the tu little inside the sentence. So tu, not used at the beginning of a sentence. Okay. Now next to certain verbal roots. So isha. Ishu, see, one dhatu ishu we have learnt, ishu ichchati.
ಇಚ್ಛತಿ.
ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಗಣ. Ishu ichchati. This is ishu is fourth gana. This isha fourth gana, isha gatau. This fourth gana becomes ishyati.
ಇಷ್ಯತಿ.
Because ya is a fourth gana. So anu, if you put a upasarga, anu plus ishyati, what will happen?
ಅನ್ವ.
Because yanadesha. Anvishyati means anveshana.
ಓಕೆ.
Anvishyati means anveshana. Anveshana comes. So that's why I'm telling, most of the words are already there in our Indian languages alone. Anveshan karta hai, you trace the verb anu plus ishyati, anvishyati. To search for. Sitaanveshana. Sitaanveshana, we call them that. Nashta padarthanveshana. Nashtasya anveshanam. Sitaanveshanam. So Sitam anvishyati. Ramaha Sitam anvishyati. Rama Lakshmanau Sitam anvishyataha. Hanuman api Sitam anvishyati. Like that. Anvishyati, searches for. Okay. Gam, we have learnt certain upasargas. What is that? Adhigacchati, avagacchati. Now third, no, sangacchate.
ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
3 we learnt. Adhigacchati, avagacchati. With some it becomes atmanepada. But here anugacchati, anugamanam, following it. To go after, to follow. Anugacchati, anugacchataha, anugachanti. All these things, how much we have to say? Anugacchati, parasmaipada. In passive voice, anugamyate, anugamyete, anugamyante, like that. Next is gal. Gal means to drop. Galati, false and artha. Galati means false. Galati, galataha, galanti. Dripping, dropping means dripping, dropping, like that. Galati, galataha, galanti. Hindi avaru badistare idannu. Nigalati. Nigalati means swallow it. Nigalna, in Hindi people use it. So this word is common in Hindi, not in South Indian languages. Okay, galati, parasmaipada. Next is chida. It is a 7th conjugation, therefore he is not teaching active voice. Kartari prayoga. It is only for passive. Chidyate, vichchedaha. Ade vichchiddaha. Vichchidyate, adarinda chidyate, vichchidyate. So chidyate, chidyate, chidyante, to be cut off. Passive voice. Chidyate, chidyante. Chidyate sarva samshayaha. In Upanishad bartade. Okay, then ni, we have learnt nayati. Ni nayati ki pra ಸೇರಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ pranayati. Pranayati, if you use passive voice, praniyate is written. Pranita, have you heard? Ganta pranita. Pranita means this is a writer. See, to compose, to write. To compose or to write. So pranayati, pranayataha, pranayanti. Passive voice, praniyate, praniyete, praniyante. Okay, bru. Bru is bharati. Both parasmaipada atma. Bharati, bharate. Bharna ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. So bharati, parasmaipada is bharati. Atmanepada bharate. Passive voice bhriyate. ತುಂಬಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಭ್ರಿಯತೆ, ಈಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್. ಭ್ರಿಯತೆ, ಭ್ರಿಯಂತೆ, ಅಭ್ರಿಯತ, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನು, ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ 4th ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಷನ್ ಆತ್ಮನೇಪದಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮನ್ಯತೆ, ಅನುಮನ್ಯತೆ, ಅನುಮತಿ ಕೊಡುವುದು. ಅನುಮತಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅನುಮತಿ. ಸಿ, ಟು ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್, ಟು ಅಗ್ರಿ ಟು, ಅಂಗೀಕರಿಸು, ಒಪ್ಪುಕೊಳ್ಳು, ಅನುಮತಿ ಕೊಡು. ಅನುಮನ್ಯತೆ, ಅನುಮನ್ಯೇತೆ, ಅನುಮನ್ಯಂತೆ. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಅನ್ವಮನ್ಯತ, ಅನ್ವಮನ್ಯೇತಾಂ, ಅನ್ವಮನ್ಯಂತ. ಹೀಗೇವ್ ಅನುಮತಿ ಎಂದರ್ಥ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾ ವಿತ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ನಿರ್ಮೀಯತೆ, ನಿರ್ಮಾಣಂ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್. ಮಾಣಂ, ಮಾನಂ. ಸೇರಿಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣಂ, ನಿರ್ಮಿತಿ, ನಿರ್ಮೀಯತೆ, ನಿರ್ಮೀಯಂತೆ, ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮಾನಂ. Okay, vancha. Pramanam comes from this alone. But ma, pramanam, I think that ma, there are many mas. Ma to measure is one thing. This is another. So to ma to measure with manam, pramanam. Manam is a measure, a standard. Any standard, any measure is called manam. Pramanam is a measure. pramanam, okay, that's a different, okay. Vancha, vanchati, parasmipadi. So vanchati is desiring. Ichchati has come. Now vanchati, one more word. Okay. Nir plus as, one ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, you have to note down. ಇಲ್ಲ. Nir plus as, it is used here. As, asyati, we know it. So nir upasarga, if you ಸೇರಿಸಿದರೆ ನಿರಸ್ಯತಿ. ನಿರಸ್ಯತಿ means to scatter. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಚದರಿಸು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಚದರಿಸು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ನಿರಸ್ಯತಿ, ಫೋರ್ತ್. ನಿರಸ್ಯತಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್. ನಿರಸ್ಯತಿ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. It will come in future. 92 page it will come, but he is using in this chapter, therefore I brought it here and added something. Okay. Nirasyati, nirasyatah, nirasyanti. Okay. A prefix to the words beginning with a consonant, and an to those beginning with a vowel expressing negation. Idu ellide, example is not given. See, anta is ending. Anta. There is no ending. What do you say? See, ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಏನಂದರೆ ಆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ, ಬೇರೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡು. ನನಗೆ ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ಧನಃ, ಅಧನಂ. ಅಧನಃ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಧನಃ. ನಿರ್ಧನಃ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಧನಃ ಅಧನಃ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಸೇ. So, but if it is already beginning with vowel, anta is a word. If you want to make it negative, you can't use a. See, for consonant, a word with begins with consonant, to make it negative, you add the a. Dhanam, adhanam, like that. Lakshmi, alakshmi, alakshmim, nashaya, that is. But if it is anta, already beginning with vowel, you can't add a. You have to add an. Anta ki ananta. ಅನಸೂಯ. ಆದಿಗೆ ಅನಾದಿ. ಆದಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಅನಾದಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಚ್ಛಾಕಿ ಅನಿಚ್ಛ, ಇಷ್ಟಂಕಿ ಅನಿಷ್ಟಂ, ಉತ್ತರಂಕಿ ಅನುತ್ತರಂ, ಉತ್ತಮಾಕಿ ಅನುತ್ತಮ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಎ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವವಲ್, ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅನ್. But for consonant, a word which begins with consonant, to make it negative word, put a before it. Dhanam, adhanam. Jaya, ajaya, like that. Ajaya. But if it is beginning with vowel, you have to say an. Eka, ekavannu negative madu. An you have to add. You can't say I. Eka, aneka, like. And all this thing, all vowels, you can take plenty of examples. Adi, anadi, anta, ananta. An we have to add. That's the difference is, instead of a, we add an. This is the last word. With this we'll close it. I think we have taken long time. Abba. See, if it begins with a consonant, dhanam, adhanam. But if it begins only simply a. But if it begins with vowel, you add, you prefix an. An plus anta, ananta. An plus adi, anadi. An plus ichcha, anichcha. Itara ki an, anitara. U uttama, anuttama. I think I made a list of them somewhere. I in my notebook somewhere I noted down all these words. ಮಿತಂ ಅಮಿತಂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಿತಂ ಕಿ ಅಮಿತಂ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮಾ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್. ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಸ್ ಈ ವವಲ್. ಇಫ್ ವವಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್, ಅನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್. ಅನಿಷ್ಟ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಏಕ, ಅನೇಕ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಹಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಜಡಂ, ಅಜಡಂ, ಚೇತನಂ, ಅಚೇತನಂ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್. ಚೇತನ, ಅಚೇತನ, ಜಡಂ, ಅಜೇಡಂ, ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ಅಮನುಷ್ಯ, ನರ, ಅನರಹ, ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ. ದೇವಃ, ಅದೇವಃ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವವಲ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. I think now Shambhur Jayati, Bahu Spurataha, you have to translate them, we will see. I think there may be one rule that in the English words that we shall tell later tomorrow. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha Hari Om Tat Sat. Atma ki opposite anatma. You can't kill atma.
Correct.
Anatma.
Anatma.
Annam ko anannam. Yeah, any word like that. Arjavam.
Anarjavam.
I like that. Arjavam ki anarjavam. So these things are there in Indian languages. Through Indian languages you teach Sanskrit. It becomes easy. We already know. The words are already there. They say Sanskrit is difficult. First you create an impression Sanskrit is difficult. Oh, we don't know Sanskrit. If that fellow, if somebody says something, they say, oh,